The V10, as I suspected, this intake gasket torqued kind of weird. You can see the bolt holes weren't exactly lined up straight, but nothing that should have been detrimental, except for that guy right there. Wasn't in the hole. And this was pushed up in this corner right by this intake port. You can see actually down here there's supposed to be a little head on it, and that's been sheared off as well. So new intake gasket's going in tomorrow, and hope that fixes it.